I've done what you would pretty much call first wash, and although this looks rather weathered, etc., it's clean in all the right spots, you know? So what you are hearing bouncing around in there is ice. Okay. Okay. Ice cubes. Complain about doing the dishes all you want, but you got to go to the well to get the water. You got to chop up the wood to make the fire, and then you have to go through with what you call first wash, second wash, and then rinse. Now, there are a couple of different things that are still on first wash, so I'll dump the last of this into them.